Hi everyone, welcome to the TheClassyCode online software courses. So we provide both live training as well as self-paced training. So we basically give training on Informatica, Informatica Power Center and Informatica Cloud, IICS or IDMC. Let's look at today's scenario on Informatica Cloud. Okay, so this is our scenario where we need to pass the current month start date value as a header in the output file. Let's say we have a source. So here I'm taking the source as a flat file and target is a flat file anyway in our scenario. So we have to pass the current month start date. For example, today, this month is January. So it should be 01/01/2025. If the current month is December 2024, so it should come like 12-01-2025. Irrespective of current date. Okay, let's say current date is 25th June 2025. It should come like 06 as the month hyphen 01 means first day of that month hyphen that year. Okay, it should come this way. This is our requirement. That means this file belongs to this particular month. Okay, so this is our requirement. How do we solve this using Informatica Cloud? Let's go to Informatica Cloud. So I logged into, IICS and I have gone to data integration service. So let's create a simple mapping, and I'll name this as M_scenario3. So we have other two scenarios, scenario 1 and 2. For more videos, you can watch the previous videos. So this is scenario 3. So what is the scenario? The scenario is to pass current month start date value. Okay. Yeah. Let's consider the source. So for this, I need to select the source connection here. So what is my source connection here? Source scenario file. Okay. Source scenario source file is my source connection. And I will select my source file. Okay. Source file is this S3. Okay. This is my source file. So this is where I store the data. Okay. This is my source data. Okay. And I'll give this name to the source. Instead of simple source, I'll make it as S3 source, scenario 3 source. Okay, let me check the fields as well. Okay, there is only one field, ID field. Okay, and target side, I will create a file in the target. That is scenario target file is my connection. And I will name this as, so I already have some targets here. So I'll kind of name it similar. Okay, this is my target. So I'll make it as S3 target. Okay, just keep it compatible with others. So S3 target.txt, and I don't want any text qualifiers here. Okay, so here I'm simply pulling the data from the source file and pushing it to the target. That's good, but I want the header as the current, start date of current month, start date of current month. So, and that too, it should come in mm-dd-yyy format. Okay. So for that, I need to pass it as a header, correct? So we will simply go to the target. Here in the target options, if you go here, header options, we have one option here, output field names. So whatever the fields coming in, okay, ID. Do you want to pass ID as the field name, or do you want to pass a separate header? So in this case, we need date as the header. So in that case, I will select this option, use header command output. Use header command output. Yeah. So what command we need to pass here? Okay. Since my runtime environment is on Windows, I will use the batch script or the batch command. What do you mean by batch command? So if we go to, you know, the CMD, okay, CMD. So here I can write here echo date. So this will give us the date, current date. Okay, but my requirement is I want the value like this 07 hyphen. I mean, the current date is 30th July 2025. But my requirement is I want like 07 hyphen 01 hyphen 2025. Like this I want. So how to get this format? Okay, so let's discuss on this one first. Okay, let me show you some samples. So batch commands. If you simply give echo percentage date percentage, this will give the date like this. But if you want to show the dates in different formats, see here, it will read, this is the 0th position, this is the first position, this is the third position, and so on. Now we need to cut these values and arrange them properly. Okay, for example, if I want to show the date in this format, I have to give the date in this format. Okay, so I have to cut down these values. For example, if I cut down the value like this, so it will show 2025. How I get this? See here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2025, 2 is starting at the sixth position. Sixth position, 4 characters. That is 4, 2025. Same thing, if I want to display 07, let's say, what I need to do here, echo percentage date colon tilde. So 07 is at which position? 0, 1, 2, 3, third position. 3 comma, how many values we need from 0? 2 values, 2 percentage. That's it. So it will give us 07. So let's say I want 30, but I don't, in this case, I don't want 30. I want only 01. So I can simply give 01, right? Echo 01. So just combine all these things. That will give us the result. Okay. So what I need to combine here, echo, I want 07. Okay. Let me put the 07 first, hyphen, then I want 01, give this hyphen, then the year. That's it. This is what we want, right? So what we will do, we will simply copy this and paste this in the command. That's it. Okay. You may ask, okay, what if my runtime environment is on the Unix server? So if it is on the Unix server, we can, okay, I'm just showing that on Sigwin. So this is like a replica of, Unix working area. Here, I can simply type date. So it will give me the date. But if I want in a particular format, for example, 07012025, so this is the format I can follow here. Okay. So date plus in which format you want to do this one. Okay. So I'm just pasting this format, enter. So this will give. So you can simply paste this command here. Okay. So that's it. This will give you the header. Okay. So hope you understood what command we have to give as a header. Okay. Use header command output. That's it. We can save this. Okay. This is valid. We can run this job and see the output. So you go to my jobs and check the data. Okay, perfect. So we have 5 records and it is going 5 records in the target. Let's see how many records here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are the actual data records and 1 header. Okay, let's see the output in the target. So this is the target we just now we created. Let's open and check this. Yeah. So this is what we are looking for, correct? Just now we created this. Okay. So this is what our requirement is. So I want to pass 07012025 start of the month as the header and the remaining data. Okay. So like this, we solve different scenarios on IICS. Please follow our channel for more videos. If you like our explanation, please hit a like button and please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.